Hello again! In this video lesson, we will transfer the grid from the photograph onto a sheet of paper. This will ensure accurate transmission of proportions and facial features. You will learn how to scale the grid from a photo onto different paper formats or any other surface you plan to draw on. This technique works for all surfaces, paper, canvas, or even a wall. I can see you're eager to start, aren't you? Well then, let's not waste any time. So, dear friends, in this video, we will do the following. The grid we made in the previous lesson needs to be transferred onto the sheet of paper on which we will draw our portrait. I'll take a Bristol sheet, 270 grams per square meter, paper density. Why did I choose this paper? It has one special feature. Its texture is very smooth, which will allow us to create very soft transitions between light and shadow. Shading will also look much better and be easier to blend on this type of paper, since it's smooth and smudges beautifully. So, how do we transfer from a smaller sheet to a larger one? It's very simple. You'll need a ruler. I took a longer ruler to make it easier to measure the larger sheet of paper. So, what do? In the photograph, we had 14 squares horizontally and 11 squares vertically. And, as you remember, I used 2 centimeters as the size. Now we need to measure this sheet of paper. For example, horizontally, it's about 35.5 centimeters. Vertically, it's 28 centimeters. So, what do we need to do? Simple math. We need to divide the horizontal length, 35.5 by 14, and the vertical length, 28 by 11, since we have 11 squares. Of course, the result won't be a whole number, but we'll round it, so that's fine. It will only be a small margin of error. We'll need a 2H pencil because it erases more easily. Let's calculate. 35.5 divided by 14 approximately equal to 2.5 centimeters. Vertically, 28 divided by 11 approximately equal to 2.5 centimeters as well. So the square will be about 2.5 centimeters. It's very simple. And now, just as we did in the previous lesson, we make marks every 2.5 centimeters along the horizontal line. 2.5, 5, 7.5, 10, 12.5, 15, 17.5, 20, 22.5, 25, 27.5, 30, 32.5. The last square doesn't quite fit, but that's fine. The portrait will shift by about half a centimeter left or right. Now we do the same from the bottom. 2.5, 5, 7.5, 10, 12.5, 15, 17.5, 20, 22.5, 25, 27.5, 30, 32.5, 35. And now we connect the top marks with the bottom ones, very lightly, without pressing too hard, because later we will erase these lines. Don't rush through this step. Actually, don't rush any step at all. Haste will never be helpful. Try to enjoy the process of drawing. That way, it will bring you joy. Now let's count. We had 14 squares across, and here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The same goes vertically. Every 2.5 centimeters. Two 2.5, 5, 7.5, 10, 12.5, 15, 17.5, 20, 22.5, 25, 27.5. The edge remains. Do the same from the bottom. And connect them. clean up a bit. Then, just as in the photo, let's label the squares. A1, A2, A3, and so on. Gently, without pressing too hard. As you see, here we have 13 squares. The same applies vertically. B1, B2, and so on. Ten squares, not counting the first. And just like that, we've transferred the grid from our photo onto the paper where we'll draw the portrait. This method works for any sheet size. You simply count the number of squares horizontally and vertically in relation to the size of the sheet you take. You calculate it by dividing the length by the number of squares, both horizontally and vertically, and then determine approximately the average length that will be convenient for dividing the sheet into squares. I'll leave a small note here so that if you don't remember right away, you can pause the video and re-watch how I did the calculations, and then apply the same method based on your paper size. Now we have a carefully marked grid on the paper, which will help us transfer the details and proportions of the face from the photo. We are one step closer to creating an accurate and neat portrait. In the next lesson, we'll begin making the rough sketch of the face. There are still many exciting stages ahead. Good luck!